Hey everybody, it's Monday the 9th and we are 1 week away from our big, huge virtual open house here at Laser Lipo and Veins. I just want to reiterate for everybody that hasn't RSVP'd to the event yet, please follow the link that is going to be in our comments below this post to RSVP before 5 o'clock on the 16th to enter to win any of the giveaways that we're going to be giving away for our open house specials. We will give away all of those on the Friday the 20th and let everybody know. So please make sure that you RSVP. Also, that week of the open house, the 16th, we'll open up the day with a Facebook Live, and then we're going to be running all kinds of videos about procedures that we do here in the office. Feel free to DM us, email us, reach out to us by phone if you want to purchase anything. Those are the easiest ways to purchase throughout that week of open house. We really are looking forward to it. We're excited about this upcoming year. So hang tight, 1 week away. We look forward to seeing everybody. Bye.